All right, back we go. It is Sunday, September 26th. The market will be back in action on Monday. Right now, Dow futures are plus 80, S&P plus 6, NASDAQ minus 11, Russell plus 7, VIX is 1965. Oil's high, 74.59. I'd like to see oil come down. Excuse me. Crypto, 42,931 is Bitcoin. All right, let's take a look at someone commented. My comment's Borr, BORR, Borr Drilling Limited. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's take a look at this chart. This came about, looks like this candle, the stock of 2019, July, made a high of 1012. Big drop September, then it bounced like a W pattern. See this? Just like a W here, here. Eventually it slid back here for a bounce to a 9. And then coronavirus hit February, March. This thing dropped too. This went 9 to a low. Looks like this candle, this little candle, to 24 cents. Can you imagine buying this at 24 cents? And it did make a little run to $2 and then went to this candle here at 286. That's incredible. So just say 24 cents. What is that? 4, 10. I'm just trying to add up like 10 times your money. You don't even need a lot of money in that. That's why these penny stocks can be, incredible money makers. Swing trading and day trading. Swing trading is harder too on penny stocks like bio, because the drops in them are huge. So you got to be careful with that. All right, let's take a look here. So after the run here, June, we went to November. Big drop from that 3 level all the way down to this candle here, which was 37 cents. Then a nice run November, December, January, we crashed down again, big pullback. And February moved back up. And nice run on this candle here, which was 167. And after that, that was it. You're getting little bounces here, not much movement. And then this thing really dropped to this low of 56 cents. Then we had a good run here. You see these candles made a high here of 87. Near that, trying to make a run to the dollar. Roll didn't work. Pulled back. It got really weird. Like a gap down, another gap down. Then oversold. This really came back with nice volume down here. And if 4-day, it's called a runaway gap up. 4-day gap up, which usually means bearish after this. We'll see, how they react to this tomorrow. Looking for, if you're looking at this chart, I had the retracement all the way back to that high. So this is way below even the 23.6 fib level, which is at about 257 after that move. So we're trying to get back above this near this 90-cent level, then the $1 roll. Here's $1. Not much resistance when you go back. I mean, these moved in waves, these stocks. So I wouldn't call anything big resistance back here. It's a matter, this stock looks like more like just traders, in and out at certain periods of time. Let's look. 189 million float, 260 million market cap, 260 million market cap. Institutions own 25%. They operate offshore drilling contract for oil and gas industry worldwide. Operates a fleet of 24 jackup drilling rigs. Incorporated 2016, Hamilton, Bermuda. Shallow water areas, rigs are operational. Conduct oil and gas drilling, workover operations, exploration, and production. Any news on this? 7 hottest penny stocks you can buy today for a rebound tomorrow. That was the 24th on Investors Place. No news before that. It's pretty dead. No news really. So, but let's take a look. So from that drop, one big spike, another one. This was a nice little run, and here, and then a pullback, not all the way back to this level. Probably going to break out of this now. 81 cents. Let's take a look at the weekly. You can see the wraparound. See this 13 EMAs below the 20 EMA, which is bearish. Now it's fighting at EMAs. It's trying to get over this level, about 81 cents. It's moving up on stochastics, a good sign. Yeah, it's a falling wedge or very tight channel. The monthly went sideways, back and forth. A few spike ups there, them candles way back then. You see it going up right here. I like the stochastics because, this is relatively new stock. It's not going to have a lot on the monthly, and the weekly chart's not going to have, the indicators fully coming in yet. Although the weekly pretty much does. The monthly doesn't. But you can see here, see the 20 EMA over 13 EMA, big move down. This is going to probably do this. Eventually get sideways and so up. So this could take longer time. It can get caught up between this 125 near 2 level. It could hit this 125 13 EMA, bounce back. That would be my target right now. I'd look for 125 on that 13 EMA because usually they come in contact with it and then it'll bounce back and test it and comes back. Let's look at the daily again. 125 will put it right up here. So that'll be a big run. Your stop right now, 81 cents. I will put it, 70 if you want a bigger stop near the 66 level. And then, way back down here would be like 50 cents level, 55 cent level. So this has potential. I like the movement. Once you have this wedge, see this was a big run. Look at November. This came from 37 cents all the way to this high, which was 167. That's a big run for a penny stock. And this took, 1, 2, 3, 4 months at that point. So watch the $1 roll on this. I think I like the direction of this. Once you're out of this, it's good movement. The 4 hour coming here, it could do a double top, come back. It's 2 hour, 1 hour. All right, we'll see on this one. Not really much news. Let me see what it says on Investors Place. Let's see here. We got here. All right, it's actually in Yahoo Finance. Slots. What else do we have? IRO. Where is Borr? There it is. Borr drilling. Borr stocks, another beaten down stock, penny stocks. It looks attractive, following a 41% correction the last 6 months. There's a fleet of 28 premium jackups. Average of 4 years, 13 rigs are operational. Company's been slow recovery path after pandemic impact on revenue. Q2 2021, the company reported 54.8 million. For the same period, adjusted was 3.7 million. First time since crisis. Borr Drilling has reported positive EBITDA. While oil remaining relatively firm around 70 barrels, likely that contracting activity will remain strong, which is very good. Company anticipates 23 rigs to be operational by end of 2022. 5 rigs are scheduled for delivery 2023. So that's good. Oil's up, coming back from coronavirus, slowly but surely. It's an 81-cent stock now. It's good potential. Clear growth visibility. Stock was attractive 69 cents when they wrote this. I wouldn't be surprised if stock doubles in the next few quarters. So that's they're taking it, which makes sense what they're saying here. Remember, this stock back in February, it was running between 5 and 9, bounces, and then it dropped from coronavirus big time, and it's been in the doldrums since. So with oil heating up, drilling their operations seem to be getting better at this point. I like the look of this because it's $216 million market cap. It's not a lot. Float's bigger. I don't see much information on it though. I mean, if oil's remaining up, that's always good. If oil goes below 60, this could hurt this stock. So watch that on this. But right now, technically too, it's what you do here, technical analysis. Look at the charts. you're coming out of this wedge, this big drawdown for what, 6 months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Looking for this dollar roll. I think it's possible. I like the way this had this movement out, tested back. See right here, when this came up, it didn't pull back all the way. It found a new base here. So the low got higher. So let's look at 1 to 125. So if we can get to that level at this point, and see if anything news comes out on this, or penny stock traders jump on this, and they really push this at this point. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Game Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out the links below if you want to sub or join. All right, that's it for now. Peace.